Welcome back to the Shantae Riddick channel. So today we're doing another reaction video to a really requested one. So yesterday I did a video to Jessie J doing a tribute to Toni Braxton at the Soul Train Awards. Well, a bunch of people said react to the whole thing. So guess what? I'm going to react to the whole thing for you guys, which is featuring Luke James, Jessie J, of course, and his name Bilal, B-I-L-A-L. I'm sorry if I said that wrong, but without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Let's go. I feel like this Toni Braxton tribute was long overdue. I need him to sing. He said, oh, for like 2 minutes.
He sound like he got a cold.
Yes, he did. Now he do sound like he got a cold. It sounds like maybe he forgot the words. He keep grinding and grabbing himself. It's a little weird, but overall he's doing okay. People like Luke James and Jessie J doing a tribute. I think you gotta come harder with that third person.
Sing, Jay.
Yo, Steph, I'm recording. Come on. You can wait 5 minutes. God. World to me, you are my everything. I swear the only thing that matters to me.
I love this song.
Sorry for the extra ad. Sing, Jessie J. Now y'all see what I mean when I say that first person singing? She got right into it and started singing. The other guy was like,
Her hair color is cute on her.
But I will say they did pick that first guy and was smart to have him go first, then Jessie J, and then end it with the bang, Luke James. Because y'all know, Luke James can sing.
I'm about to sing "I'm Breaking My Heart," I think.
What is he wearing now? And I say that because Luke James is from my era. I think he's a year older than me. What is this he's wearing? And I won't even say this is Hollywood. That looks crazy. And the hoop earring, like, what? What is his stylist? Sing, Luke. His voice is so good. You just look past the whatever this look is.
Okay.
Right, okay. Look, she flustered. Say that you love me. Say that you love me. When you sing an artist song and they get flustered like that, or is standing, you know you've done your job. They sound good. Those two, Jessie and Luke, sound good blended. I don't know what that meant on the other side. Okay, let me stop being mean. I'm sorry. Well, there you have it. The full tribute to Toni Braxton. They all did different songs by him. And honestly, I think Jessie J and Luke James could have did it by themselves. But you know, if you thought this was a good tribute, leave it down below giving me your thoughts. I want to hear what you got to say. Also, don't forget to leave your requests down below for me as well and know that I got you. And if you're not already following me on social media, follow me on my Snapchat at Olay703 and follow me on my Instagram at ShantaeNicole703. If you haven't already, subscribe and then click that bell so you can be notified every time your girl has a new video in store for you guys. Lastly, make sure you spread the word. Tell your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your granny, your auntie, whoever. Let them know about the Shantae and Riddick channel. Until next time, guys, I love you. I appreciate you, and I'm so thankful for you. Let's keep pushing to 1,000 subscribers. Till next time, I'm out. Peace. Really?